Granola bars are so good in the morning or the afternoon or for an evening dessert. You can go fishing or go to a ball game. Ooh, take some with you. So easy to mix up. Half a cup of honey. 1 cube unsalted butter that's melted. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Half a cup of raisins. 1 cup dark brown sugar packed. Half a cup of nuts. You can use unsalted peanuts or cashews, almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts. Just check the label. Those are coarsely chopped. And 4 cups of quick 1-minute oats. All goes together. We'll mix it up. Get your hands in there. It's so much fun. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Every Friday, I post a brand new low sodium recipe. You subscribe to my channel, you won't miss a thing. You don't ever know what I'm going to put out there. Line a 15 by 10 inch cookie sheet with the rim with parchment paper. Don't cut off the sides because we need it to come up a little bit over the side. All this good stuff going to go in this pan. Even it out a little bit. Smack it down. Smack it down. I used to use the bottom of my spoon rest to smack it down because it had a flat surface. But I was putting dishes away the other day. And I thought, why can't I do this? So, push it down, and it works. And it works. I get the edges a lot better than I used to with the spoon rest. It's ready for my oven. 30 minutes in my oven. Granola bars are nicely browned. When they first come out of the oven, I want to smack them down again. Then, put them on a wire rack to cool a little bit. Not completely, just a little bit. Then you're going to see why you use the parchment paper. Just take a piece of your paper, slide them off. Before I use parchment paper, I would really grease my pan. But it seemed like no matter how much grease I put on it, part of them came out fine, part of them stuck to the pan. Then I had to soak it and scrub it. Woohoo! I just got to wash this a little bit and it's ready to go. None of the ingredients in our bars have any sodium per serving. There's 4 cups of oatmeal. There's a possibility if you ate the whole pan, you might end up with just a tiny bit of sodium. Before you store these, make sure they are at room temperature. Otherwise, your container will have steam in it from the heat, and then your bars will get real soggy. I've never frozen them. Don't know if it works or not because we don't ever have enough left over to worry about. The bars are ready to cut. What I like about making your own is you can put the stuff you like in it. You can use the nuts that you like in it. And if you went to your store and bought this much granola bars, it would cost you a lot more than making it yourself. And if a little bit comes off, it's okay because you can eat it. Sometimes you end up with a little bit of little pieces when you pick your bars up. They're real good in cereal or oatmeal, so don't throw them away. My plate is an 8 by 10. It has less than 1/3 of our batch. My husband said, "Ooh, good, Jude. These are very good."